Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings and then search for display or other apps. So after tapping on display or other apps, now you just have to tap on this option, and after tapping on that option, now you have to search for Messenger. So here you can find Messenger, and now if it's turned off, what you can do is just simply turn on this option, and after turning on this option, just come back, and now you have to tap on picture in picture. So after tapping on picture in picture, now you have to open up your Messenger again and then turn this option on, which is picture in picture mode. After doing that, just come back to your settings home screen, and from here what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can tap on this option, which is app and notifications. So after tapping on app and notifications, now what you can do is just simply tap on notifications, and after tapping on notifications, now here you can see all apps, and from here what you can do is just simply search for Messenger and then turn that option on. So if you can't find Messenger from here, what you can do is just simply tap on the search bar and then search for Messenger, and after searching for Messenger, now if it's turned off, what you can do is just simply turn it on. And after turning this feature on, you have to check if any option is turned off. So if it's turned off, you can just simply turn it on, and after turning this option on, you will fix your problem. So after following the steps, you will fix your problem, and you might also check if you have an old version of Messenger. So what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, in search bar you can search for Messenger. After searching for Messenger, now what you have to do is you have to check if you have an update. So if you do have an update, you just have to install your Messenger update. So it might be because you have an old version of Messenger, so by updating your Messenger you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.